Imagine earning money by doing absolutely nothing. Sounds unreal. With PawnsApp, that's exactly what you can do. Get paid just for sharing your unused internet. In this video, I will walk you through how PawnsApp works, how you can maximize your passive earnings, and even how to cash out quickly. PawnsApp is a money-making app that pays you to share your unused internet connection. It runs quietly in the background, completely secure, and works worldwide. In short, you install it, let it run, and your internet traffic gets shared with trusted partners for things like market research, testing, and analytics. And while all that happens, you are earning passive income without lifting a finger. Getting started is simple. Download PawnsApp from the Play Store, App Store, or official website. Sign up with your email and password. Use my referral code that gets you $3 bonus right away. Verify your email, and that's it. No deposits, no investments, just a free sign up and you are ready to earn. Now let's talk about the real deal, how you actually earn. Internet sharing. This is the main feature. Turn on internet sharing and the app automatically pays you based on how much bandwidth you share. The faster and more stable your internet, the more you earn. Surveys. Besides internet sharing, PawnsApp also offers paid surveys. Head over to the surveys tab, pick one, and get rewarded for sharing your opinions. It's a nice way to add active income on top of your passive income. The best part, you can run PawnsApp on multiple devices as long as each is connected to a unique IP and stack up your earnings even faster. A big question people ask, is this safe? Yes, PawnsApp only collects your IP address, network speed, and some basic device info. It doesn't touch your personal files, messages, or browsing history. All the shared traffic is encrypted, so you are never at risk. Basically, your internet is doing the work while you stay protected. Here is the part you will love. PawnsApp has a low payout threshold, just $5. Once you hit that, you can cash out anytime. Payment methods include PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, and more. The payout process is smooth, and you usually get your money fast. That's why users love it. No endless waiting to actually see the cash. Want to make even more? Share PawnsApp with friends. For every person who joins with your referral link, you get a bonus plus a percentage of their earnings. That means even if you are not sharing internet 24/7, your referrals are still working for you. Some users make just as much or even more from referrals than from their own devices. It's a smart way to scale your income without extra effort. Tips to maximize earnings. Now let's talk strategy. How to really maximize PawnsApp earnings. Run it 24/7. The longer your device is connected, the more internet you share and the more you earn. Use multiple devices. Desktop, laptop, phones. As long as they are on different networks or IPs, you can multiply your income. Enable auto start. Set the app to run automatically in the background so you are always earning. Combine with surveys. Don't rely only on internet sharing. Take surveys whenever you can for extra payouts. Share your referral link. Post it on forums, social media, or share with friends. Referrals can be a game changer. Strong internet is equal to higher payouts. Faster, more stable connections generate more bandwidth to share, which means more money. So that's PawnsApp, a legit, simple, and safe way to earn passive income by sharing your unused internet. Add in surveys and referrals, and you have got yourself a steady side hustle that doesn't demand extra effort. If you are ready to start earning today, download PawnsApp, set it up in minutes, and let your internet do the work. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more legit earning apps, and share your PawnsApp experience in the comment below. Let's earn together. See you in the next video.